Hello friends, welcome back to my channel if you're returning, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Rachel. I'm a reseller on sites like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, and one of my favorite things to do on this channel is unbox my merchandise that I get to sell online, and I come back 90 days later and let you know if I actually made a profit and if I would recommend the box based on my actual results. So today I'm doing a 90-day update on the Helpsy Reformation secondhand box, and if you want to see my results, definitely stick around. So I technically would say I prefer the new with tag or the first quality boxes, but sometimes the secondhand boxes can really be a gold mine, especially if you're getting great brands and you're not spending your time out there thrifting. So Reformation is highly sought after, as far as I know. It is a bolo brand for a lot of people, and it can bring in some really good money if you get the right pieces. So I wanted to give this one a try. This one was on the site for $374 for 20 pieces, which made my cost per piece $18.70. So super hefty cost per piece, but again, possibility of really great profits for the right pieces. I was able to take 10% off my order, so that does include my 10% off discount, which you can use on helpsysource.com too. It's Oh Yeah. I have it linked down below as well, or if you just type in Oh Yeah, OHYEAH at checkout, you'll get 10% off of your order. So I was able to use it on this box. So let's go ahead and go over the results. Really quick though, make sure you subscribe if you like content like this. Every time I do an unboxing, I come back with a 90-day update. Hit that like button if you could, and let me know in the comments if you've ordered this box, what your results have been. I am definitely curious to know if anybody else out there has had results other than what my results are. So please let me know in the comments. I will say just outright and upfront, and I'll link the original video down below as well. I was not happy with this box when I first opened it. You'll see as I go through, it was a bunch of very basic pieces. And so I did not have high hopes. And I think I said in the original video, like, my goal for this one is to make my money back, which that's not a good goal. Don't get me wrong. My goal in reselling, typically when I have a secondhand box, or maybe because the cost of goods on this one was a little bit higher, I would say maybe I'd want to double my money. Typically with secondhand, I want to like triple my money in 90 days. But this one, when I opened it up, I was like, okay, straight up, this one, like, I'm going to have to like struggle to make my money back. I figured that before even like looking up anything. I couldn't really complain because the box was technically as described on the website. I couldn't say that it was not as described. The cost per piece, in my opinion, was way too high for the basic things that I received in my box, but I felt like I kind of just had to go with it. So the question really here is, was I able to make my money back? I spent $374 on this box. I was able to list all but one thing. I guess that was a bonus. But right now I've sold 13 and I have 6 left. So what I'll do is I'll go over what sold, starting with the lowest selling price item to the highest. Then I'll show you what I still have left, and then I'll go over my results at the end. So starting with the lowest item, this was a Poshmark sale. It was the green cropped ribbed tank top. And again, I do not have like style names for any of these either. So there's that. This one took about 3 months to sell, and this was a $20 Poshmark sale. Again, it was a cropped tank top, very basic. There was no way I was getting more than that. I was just happy to sell it and get some money back for it. There was this white ribbed bodysuit. Look at this. I forgot to even remove the background of my photos. Like, whoops. But this one took about 4 months to sell. My video is a little overdue. Sorry, guys. This one also was a $20 Poshmark sale. I was hoping for a little more for this because it was a bodysuit. But, I mean, I guess in the grand scheme of things, it's a bodysuit. And after 4 months, somebody offered me 20 bucks. I was like, you know what? Just take it. Like, let me make some money back on this box. There is a black ribbed tank top, size small. This one was a eBay sale. This one was only listed about 6 weeks, but that was my bad. Like, I actually realized I didn't have it listed. So once I got it listed, it did sell. It was a $21 eBay sale. Then there was this tan silky cami. So this Had no size tag. I put it as a size small, but I don't even think I know that that's really what it was. There was no fabric tag, so I couldn't really tell what the fabric was. But this actually sold super fast. It sold within 5 days on Mercari for $22. Somebody knew what it was and really wanted it. Thankfully for me, what I had going for me in this box is that apparently Reformation, the smaller sizes do better, or the smaller sizes do really well. Maybe not better than the larger sizes, but like the small sizes are sought after in this brand, which I guess I had that going for me because almost everything in this box was smaller, extra small. There were a couple of others sprinkled in, but like not really. So then there was a long sleeve bodysuit, also a size small. This one sold within 3 weeks on eBay for $22. Again, I'm not even breaking even at this point, but I can't even expect more because look at this stuff. It's basics. I had 2 of these. One was a small, one was a medium. Both sold for $25 on Poshmark. These got a lot of interest very quickly, but again, for what they were, they weren't worth more than this. So $25 is like a good, reasonable expectation. But they both sold within 10 days. So that's exciting, both for 25 bucks. There was this black short sleeve, like ribbed top with a collar, very Y2K vibes, if you ask me. This one sold within 4 days. So quick sale, $30 Poshmark sale. Finally, we're getting into the profit, just over breaking even here, but you know, I'll take it. I'll take it. We have 5 left. Top 5. There was this black mini skirt. This was a size 8. This was also a $30 Poshmark sale, sold within 4 days. The other good thing that I had going for me with this box was that a lot of the items were tencel or linen, so good fabrics. So I can't say that this stuff wasn't quality stuff, because like it just, again, basics. Speaking of linen, there were these white linen pull-on shorts, size small. These sold within a month for $30 on eBay. So that was December when they sold. And given the fact that they were white linen shorts and they sold in December, I can't complain about that. $30 eBay sale. Hey, I'll take it. There was this other black mini skirt, super basic again. Everything was like hard to look at because it was so basic. This was a size extra small. This one sold within 6 weeks on eBay for $33.99. So I think I was running a sale or something. There was this green fitted tencel sweater top thing. It was really, really fitted. It was a size extra large, but I mean, it was very small for an extra large. This one had some decent interest too, and it sold within 3 weeks. $40 Poshmark sale. I think I listed it at like $75, but that was really wishful thinking. Finally, I think someone offered me 40, and I was sick of getting offered 15 and 20, so I just took the 40. And then the highest selling item in this box actually was this tank top. It was like a black floral tank top. It was a size 8, and this one sold for $50 on Poshmark. So I don't know if it was like the cottagecore vibes or if there was something special about this one. I'm not really sure, but it was the highest selling item in the box. What I have left here, there's this ribbed cutout black dress. It's a size 2 extra small, I think. This one, it took me a long time to get listed because I knew I had to pull out the dress form for it. My dress form, it's just this cheap plastic thing. It is a size 23. Normally I can only use it for like small, extra small, or 2 extra small. This dress was tight on my size 23 dress form. So it's a very tiny dress. It was very hard to photograph because it's black and I had it on my black dress form. So there was that. And then it's just, I don't know. I would think it would be very hard to buy a dress like this without trying it on. So that's still here. I'm not surprised. There was this black slip dress, which was not even this. This is not Reformation at all. It was the brand COS, which I found online. And apparently this stuff is really trendy and quite pricey. But this was just a black slip dress. Very hard to photograph. It doesn't look good in my photos. So that's not going anywhere. Hasn't really had any interest. There was this black cropped tank top. Again, basic black top. That's still here. Not surprised. It's a size small. There's this black off-the-shoulder t-shirt. This one has had some interest, but no sales. I think I forgot to remove the background on this one too. I haven't done anything about it. Oh well. That one's probably going to get pulled down anyway. I wish someone would just buy it, but they haven't. I've got this white cropped tank top, which I actually, just in prepping for this video, I realized that this was only listed on eBay somehow. It wasn't listed on Poshmark at all. Fingers crossed I can sell this one in the next couple weeks with spring and summer coming up. And then I've also got this black cropped long sleeve t-shirt. Again, super basic. Probably not going anywhere anytime soon. So my results, mind you, my goal for this one was to break even. I paid $374 for the box. Right now I'm at $322. So no, I haven't broken even. I'm still out about what, 50 bucks, a little over 50 bucks. So was this a good box? No. However, here's what I will say. The way that Helpsy sorts, and that's why I'm interested to know if you ordered this and you've had different results. When they sort, they get stuff in from different various places, thrift stores, maybe buy, sell, trade stores that are rotating their inventory, and they literally sort it by brand, and then they put it in like these bins, and then when you order a box of said brand, they pull the first 20 items or 40 items or whatever out of that bin. So I ended up with a bunch of super basic stuff. However, it is possible that the next person that ordered got really nice things, dresses and jeans or whatever. Like it's literally just, I'm going to pull the first 20 items. Their sorters are not trained to know what's valuable and what's not. They're trained to sort by brand. So I did not have good luck with this box. I really couldn't complain because aside from the one item that was the wrong brand, and then there was one item that was stained too much for me to list, and knowing that 15% at least is going to be flaws, I couldn't complain. I couldn't justify. I mean, I guess I could have complained, but the box was as described. I would have to literally say, you sent me what you said you were going to send me, but I'm not happy with it. So I chose not to complain. I said, let me see what I can do here. Based on these results, I would not buy another one, but knowing that every box is completely different, I don't think that everybody's box is going to be this bad. I think that there's probably a lot of potential for profit if you get the right pieces, but you have to get the right pieces. So that's what I think of this one. Again, let me know in the comments what you think, if you ordered this or just in general, what's going on with the brand Reformation? Do you sell it? Is this sort of par for the course of what they have to offer? Definitely let me know down below. Make sure you subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I do have lots of 90-day updates coming up. Boxes are starting to rotate and come up on that 90-day, and I can't wait to share the results with you. And hit that like button on the way out. That certainly helps out the channel a lot as well. That's it for today, though, friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.